Imagine you're lost in a jungle where digital maps are not working. You encounter some villagers and ask for directions. Without a compass or map, they provide direction using clues such as the direction of the sun, terrain, and sounds. You end up confused as you have received different responses. Confused, you turn to the random forest algorithm for direction. Step 1. You start gathering the data you have received from villagers and create a sample of data which is same size as original data. This is the first sample which we have randomly selected. This is the second, and this is third sample, which is same as second, as we're allowed to pick same sample more than once. We do this until our sample is same size as our original data. This process is known as bootstrapping. Step 2. With this bootstrap data created, we start training each decision tree. First tree predicts direction to be east. Second tree predicts west, and so does the third tree until all trees are trained. We repeat step 1 and 2 again till it becomes an ensemble of trees. Now our trained random forest predicts direction based on sun, terrain, and sound. It runs data on all trees, checks and aggregates majority votes, and predicts direction as west. Note, this process of bootstrapping and aggregating to make a final decision is known as bagging. Finally, you can confidently head to the right direction.